kynhun Myntri Kawei kynduh lang hakasi Nyngkong ban buddien halor sienjam ïadei na bynta jingïakhun pyrshah yau coronavirus kala shim karai ban Bteng Khangdam Biang shwa Skul Haduh kalai 15TARIK mentau bnai Kawei pat karai kalong bagi shakri Sorkar naduh 15TARIK mentau bnai ïadei ban poi renti no shigi office Trei kam jongki Hapapin bnai kita kirai bla shim da kynhun Myntri Myntri rang ba benrap ka Sorkar jelau ba prestun tensong ulang ba ka Sorkar kala shim ru katu ni kirai kiba ïadei na bynta ki paj Nongtrei la kalong hakarep karyang haki yo ki hat kynduh ru ya kalit kawan bat Trei ka khata kirai ki babanya ki ba ka Sorkar jala kala shim ka te sngi ki kynduh ru naduh karai ban sha tang ki kali shimet ban yad nangta ban ailad iki shinong ban play biang itu ki yo balong man ka tayo dalor ki we ki jing per bana kiba ïadei na bynta ki paj ba kiba im ha ka badi ki mar khutia dalor ki we
We have already decided in the cabinet that schools and educational institutions will remain closed till 30th of this month. And the same will again be reviewed depending upon the prevailing situation in the entire country. That is point number one. Number two, since you all know that this month is the sowing period for the farmers, we have decided that in the rural area, farmers can start sowing activities immediately, but protocols has to be maintained as prescribed from time to time by the health department. Next, MGNREGA is also allowed to resume their activities in the respective villages. And I would also like to inform you that the wages and the material components to the tune of rupees 534, I repeat, 534.6573 crores has an amount of rupees 534.4573 crores has been sanctioned and released to the respective BDOs for payment of wages and also clearing the materials bill. Again, the cabinet decided that from 15 of this month, construction works like road construction and other allied developmental programs sanctioned by the government during the last year is also allowed to restart. Then we also decided that weekly markets where we used to have in the rural areas, this also will be allowed to open. But strict protocols has to be followed. Then private transportation. Private transportation will also be allowed from 15 of this month. Private transportation. And we also decided from 15 of this month government employees needs to be back to work. To extend financial helps to those wage earners, laborers or petty traders who are out of work during the COVID-19 lockdown, and the name of the scheme will be known as Chief Minister's Relief, write down, Chief Minister's Relief Against Wage Loss Scheme for daily wage earners at the rate of rupees 700 per week. 700 per week, and the same will be transferred to the beneficiaries, eligible beneficiaries, directly to their account.